parents, and welcome back to Creation Class at Remnant Christian Schools. This week, our focus was on the truth that life can't come from non-life. We discovered what makes something alive. Every living thing is made of cells, and inside each cell is DNA, the blueprint for life. The kids got to look at microscopic images and guess whether they were from living or non-living things. They also learned that even a single cell is like a tiny factory with countless parts working together in harmony, far too complex to appear by chance. And to bring the lesson to life, we spent time watching some adorable baby animals. We emphasized that the dog came from a dog, the capybara from a capybara, and the goat from a goat. None of them sprang into existence from laundry, grain, or time. More on that later. Each one came from its parent, just as Genesis tells us that every creature reproduces after its kind. We also talked about biogenesis, the principle that life only comes from life, and why the old idea of spontaneous generation is both unscientific and a little silly. To make it fun, we set up Aristotle's famous dirty laundry and grain experiment to make mice. Of course, when I revealed my pet rat, everyone laughed, and I reminded them that rat came from its mom. And then I revealed the mom pet rat, and that it ultimately came from the original rat kind that God created. So parents, you might want to ask your kids this week about the lesson and what they thought about Aristotle's theory. Next week, we'll explore one of God's most amazing natural builders, the beaver, and how its instincts reflect the wisdom of our Creator. And if you'd like to dig deeper at home, I've linked a short video that ties into this week's lesson, along with the link to Mr. Dunham's website, The Creation Account, where he shares more on how life began. Thank you for letting us partner with you as together we help kids see God's glory in every part of creation.